All right, welcome. Today, we're diving headfirst into a serious comfort food classic, the seafood boil. But we're doing it with a little twist. We're going to recreate that whole messy, delicious, get your hands dirty experience, but make it completely plant-based. So let's get right into it.
So that's the big question, right? How in the world do you pull that off? It seems kind of impossible, but stick with me, we're going to break it all down. We are going to uncover the secret ingredient that totally nails the texture, build a broth that is packed with flavor, and then, oh yeah, we're going to whip up the ultimate spicy butter sauce that ties it all together. Okay, so let's get right to the first big reveal. Honestly, the success of this entire dish really hinges on one amazing and maybe a little surprising ingredient. And here it is, the king oyster mushroom. You might have to forget everything you think you know about mushrooms for a second. This one has this incredible firm, meaty texture, kind of like a scallop, and it acts like a total sponge for flavor, which makes it the absolute perfect stand-in for shellfish.
Now, how you prep these is really important. First, you slice the stems into these nice thick rounds that look a lot like scallops. Then, and don't skip this part, you score the faces in a little crosshatch pattern. This gives you way more surface area, which means more of that amazing sauce gets soaked up later. You sauté them till they're golden brown and then finish with just a splash of soy sauce. It creates this unbelievably savory, caramelized crust.
So, we've got our seafood ready. Now for the boil itself. You see, a great boil isn't just about cooking stuff in hot water. It's about creating this super fragrant, aromatic base that infuses every single thing in that pot with flavor, from the inside out. And look how simple this is. We're talking big, bold flavors here. A whole onion, an entire head of garlic just chopped in half, a big lemon all sliced up, and of course, Old Bay seasoning. All of that just simmers away in some water or veggie broth, and that becomes the magic liquid that's going to cook our potatoes, corn, and sausage.
You know, getting all the textures just right is all about timing. The potatoes, they go in first, since they take the longest to get tender. Then, after about 15 minutes, you add in your corn and the vegan sausage. And then for the very last minute of cooking, you toss those beautiful sautéed mushrooms back in just to heat them through. Perfect.
All right, let's talk about what is, in my opinion, the most important part of any boil, the sauce. This is not just a finishing touch, okay? This is the soul of the dish. It's what delivers that signature, spicy, buttery, absolutely crave-worthy flavor that you're here for.
This chart really breaks it down perfectly. You've got these two different layers of flavor happening. In the boil itself, you get those subtle, aromatic flavors from the onion and garlic, but the finishing sauce, that's where you get that concentrated punch of richness from the vegan butter, more Old Bay, smoked paprika, and a little cayenne for heat.
And yeah, you're reading that right. 2 whole sticks. That's 1 full cup of vegan butter. Look, this is not health food. It is an indulgent, get-your-hands-messy kind of feast, and that incredible richness is exactly what makes this sauce so good.
And here's a little technique that makes a world of difference. You don't just melt the butter and dump everything in. No, you gently simmer the butter and spices together for a couple of minutes. It's called blooming the spices. It basically wakes them up, releases all their fragrant oils, and makes the whole sauce taste so much deeper. You can literally smell it happen. Okay, the moment of truth. All of our components are ready to go. The veggies and sausage are perfectly cooked, the mushrooms are savory and caramelized, and our sauce is just fragrant and spicy and amazing. It is time for the grand finale.
You know, putting it all together is half the fun. You just drain all those wonderful ingredients, pile them up high on a big platter, or if you want to go really traditional, spread some newspaper on the table and dump everything right in the middle. And then comes the best part. You drizzle that glorious butter sauce all over everything. Don't be shy.
And this, right here, is what it's all about. The perfect bite. It's getting all those textures and flavors together at once. The creamy potato, that sweet pop from the corn, the savory sausage, and that incredible meaty king oyster mushroom, all just tied together by that rich, spicy butter sauce. It is unbelievable. And you know what the craziest part is? This whole impressive feast comes together in just about 40 minutes of actual cooking time. I mean, it looks like something you'd work on all afternoon, but it's totally doable, even for a weeknight when you just want something extra special.
So really, when you break it all down, it's pretty simple. A traditional boil gets all its character from shellfish. But with this vegan version, just one smart swap, using that king oyster mushroom delivers that exact same meaty, savory, and just deeply satisfying experience.
It just goes to show you what a little bit of creativity can do, right? You can completely transform a classic dish. Which, leaves us with one final thought to chew on. What beloved food out there should get a plant-based reinvention next?